Hi everyone, my name is Karen and today we're doing something a little bit different. You all know me for creating and upcycling small furniture pieces like old drawers and decor, but lately I've really been enjoying paper crafting, so today's video is all about that. I've created this folio and I'm going to show you how I like to assemble it step by step. If you would like to make one yourself, I'll leave the link to the digital download in the description below. There are 9 printable pages in total, including 2 optional backing pages for double-sided tags. So let's start with the cover. This is the cover page here, and I've printed mine double-sided for a more finished look. I'm going to cut everything out using my Brother Scan and Cut, so I'll be back in just a second. The cover is all cut out and I'm just inking around the flap section of the folio to give it a softer vintage look. I've created the folio with gussets for a little extra volume, which gives you more room to tuck things inside. So all you need to do is score along the 2 gusset lines and the flap and then fold everything over. And that's really how simple the cover is to prepare. Now we're going to assemble the waterfall folio section. I've printed the required pages double-sided and I have cut it out. I'm inking the edges as I go and just scoring the tab, and then we'll be ready to put it all together. I'm starting with the smallest panel first and gluing it down by the tab. And as I work my way down, I'm slightly overlapping each panel so that everything fits nicely inside the folio once it's folded closed. You can just continue gluing the panels down one by one, straightening them as you go before the glue dries. These are the remaining pages included in the printable kit, and I'm going to go ahead and cut everything out and ink all the edges. Some of the elements have been printed double-sided for a more finished look. I'm now working on the little envelope pocket. I'm just inking around the edges and scoring along the flap lines so I can fold and glue it together. Once that's done, I'll start arranging and gluing down all the pockets inside the folio. Now I'm just punching holes into the tags, and I'm also using a punch to create some little reinforcements for the holes before adding my ribbon. It's a small detail, but it gives the tags a really nice finished look. I'm using some little Velcro stickers on the flap to keep the folio closed, which makes it nice and easy to open and close while still keeping everything secure inside. And that's how I will assemble this papercraft kit. I really hope you enjoyed seeing the process and maybe picked up a little inspiration along the way. If you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments below, and if you would like to make one yourself, I'll leave the link to the printable kit in the description. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.